Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. A note to kita punya PMX. Congratulations on your reshuffling of your cabinets. Many calls it the musical chair. Cabinet punya musical chair. Banyak orang kata cabinet punya inflation, gemukkan. This can be unfair statements or may have some truth in it. Musical chair pasal apa? Pasal pindah-pindah, tukar-tukar orang. So doesn't matter lah, you know best. It's your prerogative. You are PMX. You are answerable to nobody except to the voters come next election, which is 4 years ahead. So this government have time to prove its mettle. Tapi you've done bold things. You put in technocrats dah masuk. So overall I see this is a strengthening of the cabinet. Tambah 5 lagi position, doesn't matter if they have jobs to do and they do it well. It is nothing much. It's not a significant thing. It's not something to condemn. Dulu punya kabinet pun 70 orang. So sekarang 55, big deal. What's the issue? Okay. So sekarang ni, tapi bila you appoint siapa, whoever you drop, you got your reasons to drop and what not. Macam-macam lah naratif akan keluar. Ada orang kata orang tak suka India. Ada orang kata dia prefer DAP lebih. Ada masa kata dependent pada UMNO. Macam-macam punya tuduhan dan tomahan. Now, my advice to kita punya PMX, jangan peduli siapa kata apa pun dah. You see beyond race, you see beyond colour, which I think you're doing. You see beyond age, you see beyond allegiance to any party. It is time now you get competent people to perform for the next 1 year. Health Ministry pun dah tukar. You recycle some for whatever reason is, itu you tahu best. But if they are performing, you keep them. Bagus. Yang siapa yang tak boleh, you dah drop. Jadi orang boleh kata macam-macam, but you look beyond colours. When you do that, kalau semua yang cakap happen to be Cina, biar semua Cina menteri, so what? Kalau semua Melayu, Melayu semua. Kalau majoriti yang pandai, yang cakap, yang competent, India dengan Bengali, ambil, no problem. Ambil Bengali punya dengan India. Semua. Yang penting, they are competent, they are clean, they are dedicated, they are talented. We want the best brains to form your team because you got a big mission to handle. You have to turn around this country. You have to stabilize this country. You have to harmonize this country. You have to make us significant. You have to reform kita punya institutions and kita punya civil service. We need to make a leap jump. We need to make a marked improvement very quickly. Pasal kita ketinggalan belakang sangat from all the other nations, neighboring nations. Enough is enough. Enough politicking. New Agong is coming in. Dia akan masuk January 31st. You guna dia punya support. And all this yang menyalak 3R punya isu, India, China, DAP, OA, doesn't matter. Agong datang and you can work with Agong. With Agong may support, just go after all this divisive punya people. Make sure they pay the price. They know that this government means business. Apart from that, you just focus, tak payah politik banyak dah. Focus on the economy. With the new lineup of your cabinet, I want to be excited and all the best. And make sure the message goes through to all the ministers. Doesn't mean you naik, you ganti ni, you stay. After 1 year, you review again. After 1 year, siapa tak perform, drop again, ganti orang baru lagi. So it's okay. As a Malaysian, I am okay for a reshuffling of the cabinet every year. So long as every time you reshuffle, the cabinet becomes stronger and the leadership kita jadi lagi exemplary and moves the needle. This is what we want for the country. Congratulations, you made some bold move. Hope you stay the course and we wish you all the best, our beloved PMX. And by the way, in your lineup currently, there are also those ministers that tak berapa perform. They did not do well, which is why you remove them from their portfolio. You are giving them a second chance to another portfolio. If that's what you're doing, I hope it is clear message to them as well. You dapat second chance. You did not perform well sangat in your first portfolio, or you screwed up a bit, tapi tolerable, you tak ada skandal. Tapi when you go to the new portfolio, you better buat elok lah. You better perform lah. You better vindicate the second chance lah. Pasal kalau tak, second time pun you screw up, takkan you nak recycle lagi 2 kali. Takkan you nak bubuh lagi, lepas dah pindah pula new ministry. You're just transferring the problem. So I don't think PM Anwar nak buat macam tu, kan? Jadi kalau tak mau buat macam tu, make sure the message is clear. One more time, orang-orang yang kita disappointed that still in the cabinet lineup, kalau they don't perform, they don't change dia punya reputation, they don't make marked differences, and they don't pull their weight in forming your dream team, then come next review, drop them lah. Dah lah. Takkan nak bagi test lagi how many ministries you want them to mess up. So drop, orang lain pula naik. Yang naik pun again, jangan tengok kaum. Doesn't matter. Melayu turun, India naik. So what? India turun, Cina naik. So what? So what? Because at the end of the day, kok mana race dengan kulit, dengan agama that determine their performance of the job. Bukan senang tau nak buat kerja menteri. So therefore, we want the competent people. The message kita pada rakyat Malaysia, as long as you're Malaysian, doesn't matter what your background is, what your culture is, what your agama is, as long as you're not toxic, as long as you are brains, as long as you can perform and you're disciplined, you're dedicated to do for whatever it takes for the country, you get the job. After all, you are chosen as MP. Kalau tak cukup MP yang competent, get technocrats again. So what? Kalau technocrats perform and they do well for the country, pay them, country benefits, the people will know who they are, they can soon run the elections. They can become MPs lepas ni. Dah tak payah jadi senator lepas dah. So, very simple, very easy. Tak susah langsung. This is a giant leap towards meritocracy. Implement meritocracy on your cabinet first, Anwar, PM Anwar. Lepas tu kita boleh follow through. Okay? At no point am I telling you to forsake affirmative action. No, the Pai Melayu maintain. Be bold about it. You say Pai Melayu sini, but even on Pai Melayu pun you implement meritocracy for among orang Melayu. As far as the big pie of Malaysia, embrace meritocracy. To the best extent we can embrace meritocracy, we do so, but we stay true to our constitution and the spirit of the constitution. We have to be fair to all, Malays and non-Malays. Be fair, remain steadfast. Most of the rakyat, the majority of rakyat are behind you. We support you. Assalamualaikum.
So, if you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.